Hello everyone, welcome to Du's Kitchen. Today we are making another exciting recipe. Join me as I share with you how to make Nigerian chicken pepper soup. I'll start by adding some well-washed chicken to the cooking pot. Then go ahead and season. First I added some salt, seasoning powder, and some diced onions. And after adding all these ingredients, I'll go ahead and give it a quick mix. And then cover and take to the stove top to cook until the water is almost dried from it. Please remember to put an eye on it so that it doesn't get burnt beneath. As we cook the chicken, let's quickly crush some scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. I'm crushing the scotch bonnet pepper because it will help the pepper soup to come out very beautiful. Please note that you can use any pepper of your choice to cook chicken pepper soup, and you can also decide to grind the pepper to be very smooth. This depends on your choice. And after crushing it, this is how it looks like. I'll set aside. And now for the pepper soup spice ingredients. I'll be using Idan fruit or prekes. So I'm going to be cutting part of it to use. Another spice I'll be using is urema. This is what we call it in my area as I don't know the English name for it. Also, I'll be using negro pepper and calabash nutmeg. I will grind these ingredients smoothly with water behind the camera. Please, you can also use store-bought pepper soup spices. And to give the pepper soup that unique aroma, we'll be needing some fresh scent leaf. And now I'll go ahead and cut the scent leaf into smaller chunks. And after slicing the scent leaf, I'll set aside. And now back to our chicken on fire. I will open, and as you can see, the water is almost dried from it. And now I will add the crushed scotch bonnet pepper. I'll also go in with the pepper soup spices that I blended with water. Next, I'll add some Cameroon pepper to it. I'll also be adding the Ida fruit or briquettes to it. And then some of the sliced scent leaf. And after adding all these ingredients, stir to mix together. And now add water, but not too much. Then cover and allow to cook for another 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes of cooking, this is how it looks like with great aroma. Give it a quick stir and add some scent leaf to it once again. Stir and cover and allow to cook for another 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes of cooking, open and look out. Wow! Our Nigerian chicken pepper soup is ready. This looks so beautiful with great aroma. And now you can see that this is simple and easy to cook at home. Serve and enjoy chicken pepper soup with rice, plantain, yam, agidi, and much more depending on your choice. And now that you have learned how to make this simple and delicious recipe, will you be giving it a try? Please let me know in the comments. And if you find this very helpful, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. Thanks so much for spending your precious time with me. See you in the next video. God bless.